Hello and welcome to this grounding mindfulness meditation to let go of negativity and manifest positivity in our lives. Begin by finding a comfortable position and turning your attention inwards on your breath as you follow along with the prompts and focus on the sound of the water. I inhale love. I exhale anger. I inhale peace. I exhale conflict. I inhale joy. I exhale nervousness. I inhale courage and exhale sadness. I inhale hope. I exhale doubt. I inhale pride. I exhale shame. I inhale gratitude. I exhale bitterness. I inhale acceptance. I exhale regret. I inhale confidence. I exhale insecurity. I inhale pleasure. I exhale pain. I inhale abundance. I exhale fear. I inhale inspiration. I exhale lethargy. I inhale strength. I exhale weakness. Continue to focus on your breath and the sound of the water as you affirm these emotions that you are inviting and releasing from yourself. As you inhale love and exhale anger. Inhale peace. Exhale conflict. Inhale joy. Exhale sadness. Inhale courage. Exhale nervousness. Inhale hope. Exhale doubt. Inhale pride. Exhale shame. Inhale gratitude. Exhale bitterness. Inhale acceptance. Exhale regret. Inhale confidence. Exhale insecurity. Inhale pleasure. Exhale pain. Inhale abundance. Exhale fear. Inhale inspiration. Exhale lethargy. Inhale strength. Exhale weakness. As you bring your awareness back to the present moment in the room, thank yourself for taking this time to practice manifesting the positivity you want in your life and letting go of negative energy. Remember that you can come back to this at any time. The divine in me recognizes the divine in you. Until next time, namaste.